everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial of Fix. So today I'm going to show you how you can give a fade out effect for a header. So I will just show you how you can be able to do it, but this is how it is going to look. If you scroll like this and if you come to top, it will again appear, but if you scroll down and go below, this is how it will fade out. So to start with, I opened editor of for one of my website. So please don't go on this design. I have just created just for the tutorial purpose for you guys to show you for you guys, and I will just click on the header. This is how you can do it. Just click on settings and you must click on fades out. This is the option we are looking for. This is the option you can click, and if you preview now, you can see this is how it is looking. This is the same thing that I showed you in the start of the tutorial. This is how it is. So I hope you understood. So this was a short and simple tutorial regarding the fades out effect of the header in the Wix. So thanks for watching. I hope you understood this. Stay tuned for more such videos and thanks a lot.